Welcome to the Tesla Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is October 11th, 2024, and we're diving into the latest developments from Tesla's recent robotaxi event, the unveiling of the Cybercab, and the broader implications for the electric vehicle market. Links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Tesla's stock took a hit, dropping by 6% in pre-market trading following the company's recent robotaxi event. The highlight of the event was the unveiling of the Cybercab, a futuristic two-seater vehicle devoid of a steering wheel or pedals, priced under $30,000 and expected to hit the roads by 2027. However, the event left analysts and investors wanting more, as it lacked immediate updates on Tesla's full self-driving technology. Barclays and other analysts noted that the focus was more on Elon Musk's long-term vision rather than immediate advancements, leading to predictions of continued stock pressure. Elon Musk's announcement of plans for unsupervised FSD in Texas and California next year was met with skepticism, as the current version still requires a human driver. Analysts from Piper Sandler and Morgan Stanley expressed concerns about the lack of substantive details regarding FSD improvements. The event's failure to meet expectations has left investors questioning Tesla's immediate growth prospects in the autonomous vehicle sector, especially with increasing competition from companies like Waymo. The Cybercab, Tesla's new self-driving robotaxi, was unveiled at the We Robot event in Burbank, California. This vehicle is designed to operate without a steering wheel or pedals and features inductive charging. Musk announced a production timeline aiming for 2026, with a rollout of fully autonomous driving in Texas and California next year. Despite the excitement, the event raised questions about the feasibility of Tesla's ambitious production timeline and technological advancements. Alongside the Cybercab, Tesla showcased a spacious van concept, the Robovan, and an updated version of its humanoid robot, Optimus. The Robovan is designed to transport up to 20 passengers, featuring a unique design with sliding glass doors and a bright interior. However, details on its pricing and production timeline were not provided, leaving many questions unanswered. Musk's vision for the Cybercab and Robovan aligns with Tesla's broader strategy to expand its electric vehicle offerings and enhance its self-driving technology. However, Tesla faces scrutiny from regulators and a class action lawsuit regarding its self-driving claims, as previous promises of full autonomy have not yet been realized. The Optimus robot, showcased alongside the Cybercab, is projected to cost between $20,000 and $30,000. Musk claims it could perform a variety of tasks, from walking dogs to babysitting, and envisions it as a transformative product for civilization and economic output. Despite initial skepticism, the project has evolved into a more serious endeavor, with potential sales beginning in 2025. California's push for electric vehicles in law enforcement is facing challenges, particularly with the adoption of Tesla vehicles. Police chiefs from various Northern California cities have expressed concerns about the suitability of Teslas for police work, citing issues such as limited space and the need for extensive modifications. Some departments have found alternatives, like the Ford F-150 Lightning, more suitable for their needs. Elon Musk's bold claims about Tesla's self-driving technology continue to face skepticism. The upcoming Cybercab, expected to revolutionize the transportation industry, comes at a challenging time for Tesla, with declining sales and increasing competition. Critics cite a history of missed deadlines and unfulfilled expectations regarding self-driving capabilities, raising doubts about the feasibility of achieving Level 5 autonomy. That's all for today's episode of the Tesla Daily News. We hope you found these insights into Tesla's latest developments informative. Be sure to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us next time as we continue to explore the ever-evolving world of Tesla and the electric vehicle industry. Until then, stay curious and keep driving the future.